Monitor your alarm system, control it from anywhere. What is the ongoing cost for your alarm app? Some apps are chargeable and some are free to use. DSC Neo Connect Alarm App, DSC Power Series, SafeDial Wireless, Self-Monitoring, access to pocket secure features including remote arm disarm, push notifications, view history, panic alerts, etc. Paradox Insight, Gold App, Bosch RSC Plus App, Bosch iFob Control App, Trikdis E16T. Compatible almost with any alarm brand, no need to upgrade your existing alarm system. Ness iComms App, Hills CommNav App, Ness XCEL App, Purple Box, compatible with almost any alarm system brand.